Good afternoon, children.
Good.
So, children, did you draw that? What I gave you? I gave you to draw symbols. Did you draw
Yes,
the symbols and signs?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very nice. Show it to me in front of the camera how you drew it.
Ma'am, see mine already. Good afternoon,
Now
ma'am.
I can see Jaskaran's. Jaskaran, you have drawn it so well. Very good, Shaurit Tyagi. Very nice. Jaskaran, you haven't colored them. Anybody else who has drawn and can show it to me?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. My Manasgar have drawn.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have drawn it at the time of class, so I can color it.
Beautiful, Jaskaran. You've drawn it very well. Very nice. And this Manas Garg. Very nice, beta. You have also drawn it very nice. Let's see it from Mokshit. Iram Naz, beta, you have joined the wrong link, I suppose. Other children also want to show it? Okay, Mokshit Mishra, beautiful, very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Great work. Akshada Tiwari, have you drawn? Yuvraj Gupta is also showing, and Akshada is also showing. Very nice, Akshada, very good. Vamika, Yuvraj, very nice. And who else is showing? Manas Garg has already shown it to me. Very good, children. Now, let's move ahead with the next chapter. Let us move ahead with important days. Now, there are a few important days that we celebrate. Let's study what those days are. Different days are celebrated on different dates. Okay? Like we have Mother's Day, we have Women's Day, we have Children's Day. So let's study some more days which we do not know till now. Now, there is a special day that is celebrated for the nurses. We have so many nurses who help out in hospitals. The patients are looked after by whom? They are looked after by the nurses all day long. So there is a special day which is celebrated for the nurses, which is called International Nurses Day, is celebrated on May 12th. The birth anniversary of, now that is the birth, 12th May is the birth anniversary of whom?
Please see my. Ma'am.
Daksh Pratap Singh. Beautiful work. Very nice. Very beautifully drawn. Yes, beta, who is calling me out?
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done this.
Those who have done will sit quietly. Rest will do it. Everybody open up your books to page number 45. And everybody open up your cameras also. Open your cameras. Okay, who will read out the first sentence? Read out the first one.
Ma'am,
I can't see. Only the students whose cameras will be on will get the chance to read. Nobody else will read. I will only
Ma'am,
ask you
can
to do
I-
this. I will only call out the names of the ones whose cameras will be on. Okay. Rishabh Kumar is going to read the first sentence.
International Nurses Day is celebrated on May 12th, the birthday of anniversary
The
of
birth anniversary of,
Jo-
what is the answer?
Jo-
Florence
John of
Nightingale. The answer
John.
is Florence Nightingale. Everybody mark. It is the birth anniversary of.
Ma'am, my birthday is coming.
Beta, what are you asking? I can't understand.
Page number.
Page number is 45. Page number 45. Chapter's name is Important Days. The first one is the International Nurses Day is celebrated on 12th May. It is the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale.
Sorry.
C option is the correct option. Florence Nightingale. Then
I have
eighth. Okay, who will read the next?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
what-
I?
Okay. Who will read? Agrita Bhardwaj will read the second sentence.
Okay.
Agrita.
Ma'am, what is page number?
Page number 45. Chapter name Important Days. Everybody has opened page number 45.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now those who want to read, please put your cameras on. Rest can keep their cameras off.
Ma'am, can I start reading?
Yes, Agrita.
Okay, ma'am. 8 March is celebrated across the world an International Dash Day, Grandmother's Day, Grandfathers, Women's Mothers.
So it is celebrated as which day? International Women's Day.
Women.
8th March is celebrated as International Women's Day. Then, third one who will read? Daksh Pratap will
Ma'am,
read.
can I read Vamika?
Daksh Pratap Singh.
Please. Ma'am, can I read Yatharth Singh?
Beta, everybody will get their turn.
Ma'am, can I-
Please don't waste time asking, ma'am, can I read? If you want your turn to come, sit quietly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please tell me which chapter.
Very nice. It's page number 45. Do you know which subject we are doing? Palvini,
Good morning, ma'am.
which chapter
Ma'am,
are
what
we
to
doing?
do?
Oh, sorry, which subject are we studying?
Ma'am,
2 April is celebrated
Children, be quiet.
as Dash Day.
Beta Palvini, it's GK period going on. Page number 45.
Okay, ma'am.
Now read Daksh Pratap Singh.
22 April is celebrated every year as Dash Day.
As which
Rose
day?
Day.
22nd
As
April.
which day? Rose Day. Water Day. Earth Day.
Ma'am, Earth Day.
Ma'am, Earth Day.
Ma'am, Earth Day. Earth Day.
Ma'am,
It is celebrated as the Earth Day. 22nd April is celebrated as the Earth Day. Okay. Then We
Ma'am,
have
everybody is sending every answer.
very bad. These students are not doing good because I haven't asked them to send any answers. Now I will not take their name. Whosoever has sent the answer, good. You have sent the answer. At least you will not have to read now. Okay? Arsalan, Akshudha, you will not get your turns to read. Shaurya
Ma'am, with
Tyagi,
page number.
page number 45.
Thank you, ma'am.
Chapter name, important days. Then we have Manya. Manya will read the next sentence.
24 October is celebrated as International
United
Day,
Nations
United Nations Day as the UN
as the UN Charter came into force on this day. In
Charter
In which year? Okay, wait. 24th October is celebrated as United Nations Day as the UN Charter came into force on this day. In which year? It was in year 1945. Everybody mark, it's 1945.
Ma'am, no, everybody give answer by cheating in the chat box.
Yes. Okay. Then the next one, Mokshit. Mokshit will read the next one.
Yes, ma'am. 23rd April, that date on which
Kerwins, it's
convent
23rd April, the date on which Kerwins and Shakespeare died, is celebrated as
Dash Day.
World Book and Copyright.
Book
23rd April.
World Publisher. The World
Ma'am,
Reader.
Bard of Organ.
Just wait, children, just wait. Yes, now tell me what is the confusion? Again, let's do this one, the fifth one, 23rd April. It was the date when Shakespeare and Kerwins died. Now, this day is celebrated as which day? This is celebrated as World Book and Copyright Day. Then, the next one, Akhya Goyal. Akhya Goyal will read the next one.
The first day
The
of
first day of the 5th month of the
Gregorian. It's Gregorian
Gregorian calendar
is celebrated as dash day. Is celebrated as the May Day. It's the May. The first day of the 5th month of the Gregorian calendar is celebrated as May Day. Okay. Then Virat. Virat Rajani, read out the next one.
Okay, ma'am. 5 June is celebrated every year as Dash Day.
Tell which one?
World Environment.
Yes. 5th June is celebrated as the World Environment Day.
Ma'am, what is the answer of 6th?
6th answer is May, the month of May.
Ma'am, what is the answer of fifth?
Fifth one is A option, World Book and Copyright.
Ma'am, World Environment Day.
World Environment Day where?
Ma'am, in 7th.
Yeah, 7th one is the World Environment Day. 5th June is celebrated every year as the World Environment Day. Now next, let me tell who will read. Okay, just Karan will read now.
In India, National Science Day is celebrated to
Commemorate
commemorate the discovery of dash zero B Chandrasekhar effect, C Raman
Chandrasekhar
effect,
effect. But it's zero,
D
Chandrasekhar effect, Raman effect, and the decimal system. What is the answer? It's the Raman effect. In India, National Science Day is celebrated to commemorate the discovery of the Raman effect.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Now coming on to the next chapter, countries and their capitals. So we have a few countries and their capital cities. You have to fill this crossword. Children, will you be able to do it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, only the portion in which we have white blocks, you have to write in those white blocks. The gray ones will remain blank. Now what is the first one is across. Across means like this. So what is the first one? The first one is Beijing. Now Beijing, you have to tell that Beijing is the capital of which
China.
country?
China.
Yes, China. So the first one will be, you will
first
put
यहाँ पे
across
आएगा।
country's name China.
यहाँ पे आएगा चाइना।
CHINA, China.
इधर को आके भरो बेटा सामने। CHINA इस पे लिखो, तभी तो ये इससे जुड़ के आते हैं ये वर्ड। ये वाले ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जुड़ के आते हैं। हाँ, HIN।
Okay, the next one is now down. Be quiet. Everybody listen. Next is number 2 that you can see down. Now down we have to write that Buenos Aires is the capital of which country? This is the capital of number 2 down. That's of Argentina. Now what is the spelling of Argentina?
ARGENTA.
GEN ARGENTINA.
Ma'am, we are right, China.
China beta has to be written on block number 1. Can you see number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Start writing from there and go towards your right. Okay? In a straight line.
CHINA.
Yes. Then Argentina will be written vertically. Vertically. Argentina will come down. ARGEN.
मैम वहाँ पे चाइना पूरा नहीं आ रहा है।
क्यों नहीं आ रहा पूरा? CHINA
आ रहा है सिर्फ।
बेटा कहाँ लिख रहे हो आप?
मैम यहाँ पे 1 नंबर लिखा है।
तो बेटा 1 number लिखा है. Everybody has written there. See how you have to write. Now wait. You have to write down China like this. Where is my China? It's here. Can you see?
No, ma'am.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see how I have written. Write it like this. Everybody has written like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see how I have written Argentina. Argentina, can you see? Argentina. Okay. Then the third one, Rome. Now, Rome is the capital of which place? Italy. Now, third is given on the right hand side, Italy. Now, see how it has to be written. Italy. Everybody can see?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am not right. Argentina. Office, ma'am, I don't know Argentina's of spelling. Argentina. Ma'am. Ma'am, I have don't know Argentina spelling. Ma'am.
Okay, Argentina spelling is, I am typing in the chat box, see from there. Argentina.
Ma'am, I join our third word. Ma'am, what is the answer of third one?
The third one is Italy. Capital, Rome is the capital of which country? It is the capital of Italy.
Italy.
Then, Paris.
Ma'am, what is France?
Yes, Paris is the capital of
France.
which place?
France.
France. So it has to come like this. Can you see France?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, number 5. Amsterdam. Now, Amsterdam is the capital of Netherlands. 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 Children, I'm typing the answer in the chat box of number 5. You can please see the spellings from there. Netherlands.
Ma'am, we are writing. Ma'am, we are writing.
Netherlands, beta, see. You have to write on number 5 and you have to bring it down. Can you see? Netherlands.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It has to be written like
No,
that.
ma'am.
Why?
Okay, ma'am.
Then number 6, Cairo. Now Cairo is the capital of Egypt. Egypt
ma'am.
has to be written on number 6 like this. Can you see? Egypt's capital is Cairo. Then coming on to number 7, Bern. Now Bern is Switzerland's capital. Okay, let me type the spelling of Egypt. EGYPT. That's Egypt.
Ma'am, please send us.
Switzerland.
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 Ma'am, the seventh one is Switzerland.
No, seventh one is Switzerland. Okay. Then the eighth one. Eighth one is Tokyo. Now Tokyo is the capital of which country?
Japan.
Very
Japan.
nice. It's Japan. Then ninth number. Canberra. Canberra is the capital of
Ma'am, in
Australia.
South America.
Australia. Very good.
Australia.
And the last one, Berlin.
Ma'am, Germany.
Yes, ma'am.
Germany. Ma'am,
Germany. Ma'am, Germany is the answer.
All right. The 10th one is Germany. Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, ma'am.
Okay, children, complete it. I'm giving you 1 minute to complete it. Those who have not done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
I'm waiting for all of you to finish.
मुझे आंसर नहीं पता है.
Ma'am, what is eighth one?
The eighth one is Tokyo is the capital of which place? Japan.
Ma'am, Japan.
Yes, Japan.
First one.
Yes.
Ma'am, first one.
Okay, who will tell the first one? First one is China.
China.
Done? Let me see. There is a student has sent. What is it?
Ma'am, 2, 4, 5.
Again, because the link is
Ma'am, I have done.
for my mistake. So please send the link again.
2. Answer to 1. And we will send in the WhatsApp group.
Yes? No, we are not doing anything there on the WhatsApp group. Nothing has to be done there.
Ma'am,
Everyone has done?
Chapter. When we do country connect chapter. Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I can understand.
Yes, ma'am,
Speak
I have
again.
done. No. Ma'am, country connect chapter. When we do country
No,
connect
we are not
chapter.
doing country connect. Now we will do the revision of these two chapters that we have done. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
we did 2 chapters right now, so let's revise them. Now everybody tell me, what is the capital of China?
Ma'am,
What is the capital of China? Tell me.
Ma'am, Beijing.
Beijing. You can write it there. Okay, you can write the country. Listen, children, listen. Now, when I ask you the country name or whatever, I'm asking you the country. I'm asking this capital is of which country. So you can write the country name before these capital cities. Okay, write down like this. Now it's given on number 1. You can see it's Beijing. Write China before it, so that you know what is the country name and what is the capital city.
ma'am, I am sending the answer you personally. Ma'am, 47 page number.
46
What is
page
the
number.
answer?
46.
What is the answer?
Okay, tell me. Beijing is the capital of which country? Beijing. Yes. Beijing is the capital of China. Then Paris is the capital of which country? Yes. Paris is the capital of France. Everybody
Can we
write
see
down
the
there.
chat box?
Paris is the capital of which country? France. Everybody write.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the answer of two?
Beta, second answer is Argentina. The second answer is. Children, are you getting confused?
No, ma'am.
I will ask you. I'm asking you the capital cities and you have to tell the country name. Now my question is, Tokyo is the capital of which country?
Japan.
Tokyo is the capital of which country?
Japan.
Very good. Tokyo is the capital of Japan.
Japan.
Then Rome is the capital of which country? Rome is the capital of Italy.
Italy.
Good. Cairo is the capital of which country?
Egypt.
Egypt. Cairo is the capital of Egypt.
Egypt.
Very nice. Then Berlin. Berlin is the capital of which country?
Netherlands. Germany.
Yes. Berlin is the capital of Germany.
Germany.
Then we have, wait, Canberra. Canberra is the capital of which country?
Australia.
Very nice.
Australia.
Then Amsterdam is the capital of which country?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Netherlands. Amsterdam is the capital of Netherlands. And Bern. Bern is the capital of which country? Bern.
Switzerland.
Germany.
Switzerland.
Is the capital of Switzerland. Okay, children, I think, were you all able to understand or was it confusing for you?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now we understand.
You understood?
Now we understand.
If you are finding
Now
it
we
difficult,
understand.
if you are finding it difficult, write down the country names and then put a dash and write down its capital city. Okay? You can see the capital cities written here on page number 46 across and down. You can see the capital cities. Now, along with that, you can write the country names. Okay, in front of them only. Very nice, Bhavya. I can see your work. Very nice. You have done it correctly.
Ma'am,
Yes,
For the class is over.
the class is over. So, beta, still few minutes are left.
Ma'am, when we do country contact,
Ma'am, 3 minutes.
ma'am, Mount Fuji is the mountain of China, Japan.
Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital of Japan.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please see my
45.
Very nice. Very good, Archana.
75, 90, 75.
All right. Now everyone has done this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now you have to tell me, when is the Women's Day celebrated? When is the International Women's Day celebrated?
84.
Very nice. International Women's Day is celebrated on
8 March.
8th March. Good.
Ma'am, in 2 minutes the class is going to end.
When is International Nurses Day? When is the International Nurses Day?
Ma'am, there is not any question.
Beta, in the previous chapter, yes, I know it is not the question given there, but I am just framing like that for now. So that,
Miss Florence Nightingale.
but I am asking you the date. I'm asking you the date. In exams, I will give you how it is given in the book.
12th May. 12th May.
Okay. Yes, it's 12th May.
contact, and when we do country contact chapter,
Yes, what?
when we do country contact chapter, the next chapter 47.
No. We are not doing it now. In one period, I'm just going to take 2 chapters. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
5th June is celebrated as what day? 5th June is celebrated as which day?